everyone, welcome to Tesla Shorts Time Daily, episode 490. It's May 28th, 2026, and I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Tesla never sleeps, and neither does the news cycle. A Teslarati editor is running FSD v14.3.3 hands-free across 122 miles of Turnpike without touching the wheel once. The test covers a 122-mile route with plans to record the full Turnpike-to-Memorial segment on GoPro. The driver intends to keep hands off the wheel the entire way and will post updates live. This marks another real-world validation run for the latest supervised FSD version on open highways. Next data point to watch is whether the system maintains consistent lane and speed control through the full distance without interventions. The same Teslarati account is making its regular 3-times-a-year trip alone today because of clear weather. The driver usually brings a new passenger each visit but chooses solitude for this run. The route overlaps with the FSD test segment, creating a personal benchmark for the software. The driver will capture the full one-way drive for later review and sharing. Storage limits on the camera mean only the Turnpike-to-Memorial portion will be filmed. This creates a public record of how the software handles sustained highway driving without driver input. While the autonomy team pushes highway validation, another part of the business is dealing with a more traditional hardware issue. Rivian confirmed the R12 will open orders, offer public demo drives, and begin customer deliveries on the same day. The vehicle is positioned directly against the Model Y in the mid-size electric SUV segment. Pricing and final specs remain under wrap until the June 9 reveal. Watch for how Rivian's battery size and software features compare once details drop. The June 9 launch window places the new Rivian directly against refreshed Model Y inventory already in showrooms. Both vehicles target the same buyer pool looking for 3-row electric SUVs with strong range. Rivian's decision to bundle order invites with demo drives on day one is a direct response to Tesla's online-only model. As Tesla faces fresh external competition, it is also addressing an internal quality matter that has lingered for some owners. Bulletins SB 26-31003 and SB 25-31005 target front suspension noises reported on refreshed Model Y vehicles. The documents formalize a repair process for owners experiencing persistent creaking. This addresses a known build quality complaint on the updated Juniper platform. Owners should check service appointment availability once the bulletins are pushed to their vehicles. The new service bulletins give technicians a standardized path for addressing front-end noises on Juniper cars. Earlier owner reports described the creaks as intermittent and weather-dependent. The bulletins indicate Tesla has isolated the root cause to specific suspension components. That repair process highlights a deeper question about how quickly mechanical issues can be closed when data alone isn't enough. Taking a step back from today's headlines, the decision to issue formal service bulletins for Model Y suspension creaks challenges the assumption that software-driven quality loops alone can eliminate mechanical variability at scale. The bulletins cover 2 specific front suspension assemblies on their refreshed Juniper vehicles. Yet they arrive after multiple owner reports already documented the same intermittent noise. This sequence shows that even with extensive sensor data from the fleet, certain low-frequency mechanical interactions still require physical intervention rather than an over-the-air adjustment. Tesla's vertical integration of both vehicle assembly and service documentation gives it a direct path to feed field fixes back into the production line, faster than competitors that rely on separate supplier networks. The practical result is shorter cycles between identifying a repeatable defect and updating the build process at Giga Texas or Giga Shanghai, provided the repair data is routed to the manufacturing teams in real time. Tesla's corporate X account shared the short phrase without additional context or media. The wording aligns with ongoing work on autonomy and robotics systems. No further details were attached to the post itself. Observers are linking the language to recent FSD and Optimus progress updates. Keep an eye on how the June 9 Rivian launch details compare once pricing and specs are released. That's your Tesla news for today. TSLA closed at $440.83. up 48 cents, 0.1%. If you found this useful, a rating or review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify really helps new listeners find the show. You can also find us on X at Tesla Shorts Time. I'm Patrick in Vancouver. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.